My name is George Camejo. I'm the Executive Director of the Hollywood CRA. The latest organizational accomplishments, I guess, would be identifying certain opportunities, if you will, that we are pursuing at the present time. One of them is specifically related to Young Circle, which is here. Joseph Young's vision for Young Circle was that it would be a community focal point. And over the years, Young Circle has essentially been converted into an interstate highway system. And one of the projects that we have identified as a high priority for the CRA is to basically restore Young Circle to a complete streets type of configuration where pedestrians, trolleys, bicyclists are given the same level of importance as the automobile. I think it's just so important to restore these street systems to a pedestrian scale and to a livable scale. Thank you, and we'll see you at the 2020 Safe Street Summit.